Apple officially announced the iPhone XS, XS Max, and XR on the event on September 12th at the Steve Jobs Theater. And iPhone XS and XR are two different stories. And let me cover the second part of the story, which is the iPhone XR, and then we'll move on to the iPhone XS and XS Max. So, how do we start? We start with the display, which is one of the biggest flaw in this device. The display is a 1792 into 1828 LCD panel, which is because of the weird aspect ratio. But what it means is that it is not even a 1080p panel. Forget 2K, it is not even a 1080p panel. It is HD panel, a 720p panel. I hate it and I don't know what we should do about it, but yeah, that is what it is. Also, don't expect the bezels to be as less as the iPhone X or the XS. With a OLED display, they can curve the display and they can mold it for a perfect edge-to-edge display. But in LCD panels, they can't do it, and it is a big problem for normal people, and we have to bear with a bigger chin and a bigger overall bezel in the iPhone XR, which they actually didn't seem to address in the Apple event. They didn't say anything about it, and the pictures showed us that it is exactly like the iPhone X. I can't understand iPhone's logic. And also one more thing, that iPhone XS has a aluminium frame and not the stainless steel one. What does that mean? The overall phone is heavier than the iPhone X, and that is not great. Also, it has IP67 rating instead of IP68 rating, which is the latest and the greatest. Also, there is no 3D touch here because of the LCD display. And yeah, you get a software trick and you just have what they give. It is nothing special. You can get that feel in a Android device also. Also, it does support the A12 Bionic chip, which is the latest, based on a 7 nanometer technology and the industry's first. And I do like that they have done that. They have not put the A11 chip as any other company would have done. So hats off to Apple for that. Only one point that I felt good. Now let's move on to the price. Yeah, the infamous price of Apple device. It is priced at a freaking $749 price. And $749 converts to about 54,000 Indian rupees. But how much it is priced in India? Guess a random number. 76,000. Yeah, about 20,000 more, which is around $300 more. That is what they have done. That is what has happened. So here it sells for about $1,000. That's freaking crazy. And I don't want any of you guys to buy this smartphone. Buy a 128 GB variant of Pixel 2 XL for 64,000 Indian rupees. Buy the S9 Plus with a 2K display, liquid cooling technology, and much more for 72K. Buy the Note 9, which is at 67K, which starts at 67K for the 64 GB variant. And that has the S Pen, the very famous and very useful S Pen. So what I can say is that iPhone XR is an absolute piece of Apple shit, and it is everything but not affordable and not value for money in India. So if you want to buy any iPhone, go for the 10 or 10s or 10s Max or even the 8 or 8 Plus. But don't go for this smartphone. So that's it from me, and this is Taran Srivastava from Eccentric Tech. signing off for the moment. And this had been great. This video has been great. This device has been an absolute rant of a device. I loved writing the script, I loved recording it, and I hope you have done that too. If you love this video, give it a huge red like. That's not red. A huge blue like and a red subscribe button. Hit that and make it gray to make your life easier, make it life better, make your life techier. And also hit that notification bell icon so that you can get all my updates from my channel from Eccentric Tech first. So this is all from Tarun Shrivastava, and I am signing off.